everybody. Today we're going to make our own beads so that we can make a necklace or we can make a key ring. You can make anything you want. But first you have to make some dough, and it's a special type of dough called salt dough. And how you make this dough is I'm going to make a small batch. If you want to make this bigger, just double it. It's equal parts. So I've got 1 cup of salt and 1 cup of flour in here, which I'm going to mix together with very, very hot water until it turns into a dough. Once it turns into a dough, it should look like this, just like Play-Doh at school. Once you've got your Play-Doh, we can start rolling little balls. Now you're going to pinch little balls. You can make them as big or as small as you want to, and roll them into little balls. This is a very nice fine motor exercise. Once you've got the shape that you're happy with, you can take one of these skewer sticks or a toothpick even, and then poke a hole through. Make sure you make this hole really nice and big, because once it's cooked, it's very frustrating to try and squeeze a thread through a hole that's too small. So make the hole nice and big, and then you're going to put it on a tray and bake it in the oven at a very, very, very low heat for about 20 minutes, but keep your eye on it. Once the beads are done, they'll look like this. They'll be nice and hard, and then the hole will still be in them. And now we can thread them and we can make a necklace. Well, I'm going to make a necklace. Now, the point of this exercise is a fine motor activity. It's also so that you can have a sense of achievement afterwards, that you've got something. So to avoid any frustration during this threading, first, mums and dads, tie the bead on the bottom so that when they're threading, nothing falls off the bottom. The other nice thing to do is to take a teeny bit of sticky tape and wrap it around the top of the string. This makes the top of the string a lot more firm so that it doesn't bend when it's going through, and it'll just be a lot easier to thread these little beads once that is on. Right, so here's my cooked bead. I'm going to thread this through. My bead's a little bit big, so I'm going to get my poker just to push it through. Where are you? Right, now you can make your necklace or key ring as long as you want, and you can paint them as well. Now, if you've got paint at home, then you can paint your beads. If you don't have paint at home and you've got food coloring, you can put food coloring into the dough to make them different colors. I don't have food coloring and I don't have paint, but I do have nail polish. So I'm going to use nail polish on my beads to make them nice and colorful. So if you guys enjoy this, let me know, and I would love to see a picture of what you make. I hope you have a lovely day. Bye.